Community microlending is a great opportunity for each and every one of us to give something back to the community. We can give in terms of our resources, of funding, either through lending or through donating, and we can also give of our resources in terms of our energy, our enthusiasm, and our experience. As an entrepreneur, I've been in business for 25 years, and I've made lots of mistakes over the years, and I've also learned many valuable lessons. And if I'm able to share some of that experience with a new couple, a new business person, that would be really excellent, and save them some grief and encourage them to get on with being successful entrepreneurs here in Victoria.